Hello friends, and welcome back to Bayhill Studio. Today I'm making easy and super fun paint splatter ornaments. These are super easy, and this is a tutorial that I am doing in collaboration with the Polka Dot Chair blog. And so I'm going to have a link to the photographs and step-by-step tutorial in the description below. And this is just a simple demonstration of that tutorial. Now, I just did want to say a couple of things, and that is I'm making two ornaments in this video. This first one, I'm using medium body paints, and this is what I recommend. You can use just the really super inexpensive craft paints that you can get at any big box store or craft store, and they're super cheap to purchase. I recommend just getting those. These are a little bit nicer acrylic paints, but quite honestly, any medium body craft paint will work. In the second ornament, I mixed it up and used some paints that were thick body and fluid and medium body, and you'll watch me struggle a lot more in the second ornament. Stick to the medium body paints. I definitely recommend. You will see that in the second ornament, I let that ornament dry and then came back, and the fluid paint had pulled on the regular medium body and thick body paints and pulled it down and settled in the bottom of the ornament. And so I had to go back with a gold and fill in the blanks, and it worked out fine, but just learn from my mistakes. The other thing I wanted to say is let your ornaments dry for a good solid week before you put the cap back on them and use them, because they're in a tight and closed sphere, and it doesn't have the paint doesn't have a lot of air in there to dry quickly like it would if it was just on a canvas. And so you're going to really want to give it time to dry, and then go back and check and see if it settled and if it pulled away from the glass at all. And if it did, then just go back and add some more paint and then let it dry again. So be a little bit patient with it. Otherwise, these are super easy. You'll see here, simple, easy, fun. Anybody can do these. So I hope you enjoy this video, and be sure to check out a link. Click on the link in the description below to check out the written tutorial at the Polka Dot Chair blog. All right, bye-bye.